Welcome back, scholars. We are on activity 3.2 and we are going to be using fraction strip models for this activity. Now, if you look at this first example, it says that we are going to divide 3/4 divided by 1/4. At the very end it says the division expression asks how many 1/4 are in 3/4. So how many groups of 1/4 are in 3/4? If you look, this is a group of 1/4, this is a group of 1/4, and this is a group of 1/4. So how many groups of 1/4 are in 3/4? So the expression is 3/4 divided by 1/4 is what? So that's basically an example of a fraction strip model. Now I'm going to go and turn to number 5. I want you to look at number 5. We're going to be using a ruler. So we're using the same mentality as with that first example, but it kind of tricks you up a little bit. It talks about, let me bring this down a little bit more. So Mason has 2/3 of a foot of ribbon. This is it right here. Mason has 2/3 of a foot of ribbon. Now if you think about a foot, well, how many inches are in a foot? 12, right? So we're going to have to convert this 2/3 into a fraction so that the denominator has a 12. So it'll be easy for us to differentiate the pieces. Later it says he needs to divide the ribbon into 1/6 foot pieces. So again, we're going to need to convert this fraction so that the denominator has a 12. Now the question says, how many pieces can he cut from the ribbon? So if we think about that, if he has a certain amount of ribbon, right? If he has a certain amount of ribbon, wherever it is, and he's going to cut it into 1/6 foot pieces, you're going to find the correct fraction with the denominator as a 12, but he's going to cut it into pieces. So how many 1/6 foot pieces are in 2/3? So make sure you do convert to your appropriate denominator so that the denominators are all alike. And remember that when you are dividing, you divide the whole by the part to see how many pieces there will be. Okay? If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'm always here to help. Have a great day, guys.